Okay, today is September the 2nd, 2025. Welcome to the Kubescape community meeting. Let me share the good screen this time, because nobody told me. Last time I shared the wrong tab during the whole meeting. Okay. Ben, you can start, I think.
Oh, okay. So after some consultations with the CNCF people, and Oshat, this is mostly for you. So the PR that they suggested, it turned out that it's not very interesting for us to do it by end of this day. So in theory, we should have send them a PR today. And which I didn't really get comments on, by the way. I tried to start to write it, but didn't get feedback on it. But then I understood I went on a call with them with Jonathan, and it turned out that the only thing they are doing here is beyond what's usually happens when we want to publish something in CNCF or like a blog, is that they are adding us to the brochure package that every journalist who asks them to will be given out to. So it's not that there is no comparing the thing that we are under time pressure to write here something, as opposed to the gain that we can get from this is not really worth to push it right now. So what we'll do that in October, and it connects me to the next point, is in October we'll release Kubescape 4.0, and then we'll write a blog and we'll have CNCF publish it, which will have which we assume that it won't have it will have the same effect on one hand. On the other hand, we won't be under time pressure.
Okay. I just was under the impression that they also gave some social media information and things to that effect, and that was and that would have been more than just putting it in the press package, which is what we got in Sandbox as well.
We asked them straight, very, very precise, what's the gain, what we get, and nothing outstanding. So having said that, the blog draft is still valid, and we'll need to get together something in September, during September, and in October we do want to push it out. The only thing is that, if I understand correctly, CNCF stops publishing blogs 2 weeks before KubeCon or something, just to save time for their marketing team. So either we'll do it 3 weeks before KubeCon, or we'll do it a week after KubeCon. So regarding Kubescape 4, what we are going mainly, it's going to be around runtime detection, and new capabilities and custom rules and CL. Matthias, did I miss something?
No, performance improvement or degradations. It depends on the work.
It depends on the week. I really want to, Constance, I really want to incorporate also the thing we talked about today. It's actually, it was in the the way that you can bring your own application profile. It was actually in the original design, and it was it was dropped somewhere in the implementation. It was dropped, the support, which is for me it was quite annoying. But we'll return it either in that PR that we mentioned or in another PR.
Yeah, so for that part, so I spoke with the Bitnami people if they wanted to include this, what we call Bob, it basically bring your own profile, and they were quite interested in so I asked them what I talked to you, Matthias, this distinction between having profiles after something is ready, like something has booted, and something that includes the entire initialization phase. And they said they actually already do that for their standard Helm Bitnami images. So I did in that GDoc, which is linked last time, August 19th. I now for Pixie included the difference that it makes. And it's and I'm going on a blog with the Dynatrace people. If you scroll down pretty much all the way down, there's just like random text. No, one page up now, there's a table. Yeah. So I'm doing those 5 applications, and I'm profiling the differences basically. And if you scroll, so if you were to zoom into that screenshot, which is currently unreadable, or you just open that thing, yeah, exactly this. So that's quite interesting if you see, or that's what I would write maybe a story about, the differences if you have no profile at all versus having any like vendor sanctioned profile versus having only the runtime, only the ready profile. That people seem to like that a lot, that analysis. I don't know how to graphically, visually make it pretty, but if you want that piece in, let me know, and then I'll focus a bit on the pretty beautification of such an overview.
That would be great. Yeah.
And I'll talk about this in 2 weeks in Sofia at KCD Sofia. I'll definitely talk about OpenTelemetry and the Pixie, in that basically that table, how that can be done with Kubescape. And I have a workaround with the hashes, so I don't need the PR. It would just save me some time, but
Okay.
I have a workaround. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, but anyway, I promise that I will advance on the PR. I will just like beg.
I'm fine doing this without, unless you completely change the way you're doing the profiles. It doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
No. Profiles will remain the same. It's just like how we probe the eBPF that will change. But I mean, one of the goals of the non-regression test is to make sure that we don't alter those. So.
Okay.
Cool.
Good. That's great.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. 2 things that we came across in the past weeks were we had 2 features that we've been asked to support in the open source project, which are like kind of big features, which is one is file integrity management, and the second is Linux audit rules support, which enables. So these are 2 very well-known requirement for big corporates to have in their server environments. File integrity monitoring is like I don't know, there are like existing examples, like Microsoft Defender supports it, FileBeat supports it. It's just like I was told that it's expected to be supported, and they are like just don't want to have multiple vendors installed on the same machine to support FIM. So I'm working already on a PR for that. And the second is integrating with the Linux Linux kernel audit subsystem, which is again it's rather standard in the sense that you have auditd, which is, well, you know, very old project that uses, like, you can write rules that in case of someone changes the ownership of, I don't know, of /etcd password, then you get an audit log in Linux for that, and so on. These kind of things. And we are somewhat contemplating of whether the right thing is to just, since it has a very structured rule set, it's a very old and very I would have a high mileage, and these rules are easily like, so they're like, we have everything for them. So like we have Go parsers and everything around that to build upon. Or we are saying that we want to use the eBPF event-based rule engine we have today in the node agent to implement the same functionality, but then these rules won't be exactly like one-to-one translations. So whether we are trying to do the audit subsystem, implementing interface with the audit the subsystem, or we implemented these things via eBPF events. These are two cardinal questions. I think that if we had this question like half a year ago, probably we would have went directly with the audit events, because we just didn't have custom rules, and implement like bringing these all audit custom rules would have been nearly impossible to do. But today, since we are moving to like we have a working branch where CL rules are working very, very nicely on eBPF events, and literally with today's AI capabilities, it's very easy to translate ODD events to CL rules. Oh, sorry, ODD rules to CL rules. Therefore, it makes me think if we need to really work on this, and I would really love to, like, Constantis, you are here, Betela, you are here, like, and I would like really love to have someone who's like also looking into this. So anyone who has like what is interested in this subject and to do the exploration within the next week, at least like what direction to take from a technological perspective for Kubescape, then I would like give you some intro out of the not in this meeting but in another meeting. Where I could do like a half an hour intro to things and give you some material that you can go over and see how it works and what's the main differences, and like coming up with a design, because I want to have a design within like at least what we are planning to do at a very high level within the next week or two.
Okay,
So,
if the timeline is tightened, I'm not sure I can take it, since I guess by the end of October I'm pretty busy. If we can wait with it until like November, December, maybe it's something I can take.
I don't really need you for at this time at this phase. I don't need you guys to implement something. I more mean to just help me decide what technology to take. Like it's more that this only like very, very high level planning, going over the two potential solutions and see what is better for Kubescape to take.
Okay.
So this week I don't have, but next week
Okay, so let's schedule.
time.
Yes.
You know what, guys? Send me if you can, like in next few days, you have like half hour for me. I will show you what I have and I will explain, and you can decide if you have some time to just invest in it. Sorry, I need like a minute here. I need to go off for a sec. Sorry.
Go scream on them.
So in the meantime, we can like have interesting debate about CL. Do you know other tools that offer today CL rules? Because we saw in the past that Sneak, I think, had it, or Sysdig had it, but they removed it. And I don't know why they removed it.
Okay. I guess we need some internal gossip.
Yeah. I don't know if you know people from there, but they had it and they removed it. I think it's for performance perspective, but I'm not sure.
Did they replace it with some other rule engine, or they just implement it like in Golang or Python or something?
Yeah, I think they went to the native implementation.
Okay, so
I'm not sure.
the performance is the first
I think
candidate.
so. Yeah. This is what we saw. We had to be creative to try to keep the same level of performance. It's still not the case, but I hope we'll have something acceptable.
I think Cast uses Cell.
Who? Sysdig?
No, Cast AI. You know
Oh,
that?
Cast AI. Yes.
we
Oh,
use-
yes. I have an ex-colleague working there. I should ask him.
Sorry for being off. My brother had just his first grandchild, so he called me to tell me. So I had to answer him.
Okay.
Okay.
Ben, you can continue.
Okay. So the second is that I'm looking for a contributor who would take on himself the deprecation of the host sensor. So it's Betal, you know this issue.
Yeah, I know this issue, and I talked with Matthias about it. I guess a year ago, and a second time like a few weeks ago. I thought I will have time in this August, but then
You didn't.
came some big client, so I just didn't have the time. But I think this is a good initiative, and we must do it since it's really redundant in any manner. So the sooner the better.
If you only have do you think that in the November-December span you will have time to do work on this?
I think so. As it goes now, I think so.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Okay. That's about it.
Cool.
By the way, I think next week we have the maintainers meeting. Just saying.
Oh, we do?
I think next week, yeah.
Double check. Yeah. Nice. Okay. I don't know if we have an agenda.
I will make an agenda.
Come on.
Matthias, we really should have an AI to just write these summaries, no?
Yeah, if you want. Yes. I haven't seen that the
It actually says that the meeting is being transcribed, but then you have to put it in the format. You need another AI. But an MCP, put it into a process.
Yeah. But I haven't seen any of the SIGs in Kubernetes that are doing this from the AI. I don't know. Note taking is like carrying water, right? Good. Anything else to add before I jump into the triage, and then you can leave if you want.
I have a hard stop in 20 minutes, so let's start triaging.
Okay. Let's go. Nice. Who is maintaining the homebrew tab?
David.
Nice.
No,
really?
we can ask him. I think he was, no? For a long time, I always knew that he was working on that.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Let's see who is contributing. Amir as well.
We can ask him.
Yeah, because I don't
let's
see.
Let's assign Amir.
Okay.
I'm going to drop. Nice
Okay.
seeing you all.
See you, Oshrat.
Bye.
Nice
Oshrat,
seeing you.
will you see? Are you coming next time? Oh, she dropped.
Possibly. I don't know what this new job will do, but
Yeah.
but
First of all, good luck.
Thank you. Okay, see you around.
See you.
Good luck, Ashrat.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, Ben, that's an interesting one, actually. I saw it yesterday.
I think I will drop as well.
Okay.
Okay. See you.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
So yeah, Ben, look, this is about like, because
you have. It's not work. Wow.
Yeah, because here we do like to uppercase for the vulnerability.
Whoa, no way.
Yeah.
Oh, we should no, but it should be like a super small fix, because we need to like compare them like without.
Now
like
the thing is we have someone willing to contribute. So of course we could just do it, but like he is like already proposing 3 ways. I think we just have to pick which one we prefer.
I think it has to be case insensitive.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Good.
But this is like I think that this is
yeah.
the readiness the readiness prop should fail in this case.
Yeah, it fails, but it's just that the DB is not. Maybe I should add the context. Yeah, I've seen some bugs like this.
Oh, my Slack is crashing. Oh.
Okay. Oh yeah, this one I saw yesterday as well. Like someone wants a better README. You remember when we removed all the examples from the README because they were out of sync with the doc?
Does it want to contribute? Or...
Yeah, I told him. Yeah. If you want, you can provide some PRs.
Oshrat is not here. We can assign this to Oshrat.
Yeah, I think we can even put the label like a doc. Yeah. And help needed, I think. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Now it's only like needs information. Yeah, this I replied already. It's good. I have to do some things here. And PR's review. That's your review. It's ready to review now, or it's still work in progress, the film?
So it's it's more than it's in the I will take it offline with you. It's going to be it's a problematic state right now, work in progress.
Yeah. What's that? With the cost.
Yeah.
Oh.
I would put this in work in progress.
Yeah. It is work in progress actually. Aha, okay. That's. I have like a new Helm chart coming released today.
Yeah.
We saw some issues with Christian.
Yet another.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. But at least the good thing is once we have the private node agent, the private Helm chart, then we can like have a less aggressive release pattern for the customers.
yeah.
So I think that's good. Yeah. Really? Who did this? Oh yeah, he needs to do the DCO. Can you look at this one? Ah yeah, I sent you this, Ben, last time.
Yeah. Yeah, but wait a second, is it not? Oh, I missed this. Shit. I thought I thought I fixed this, or but it was different. I will review this.
Okay, and I will ask.
Also, it doesn't have a CL. We are constantly getting contributions to the CL library.
Yeah, some people must be using it. Okay, good. I think that's it. We'll have to finish the OPA migration to one eventually.
We'll ask Apple to do that.
Yeah. Okay. I think we are good. Thank you, Ben.
Okay, thank you, guys.
See you in 2 weeks. Bye-bye.